There were 9 million Jews living in Germany. By 1945, just 12 years later, there were only 3 million Jews left in Germany. 6 million were slaughtered during the Holocaust. When Adolf Hitler became Chancellor in Germany on January 1933, he could finally begin his plan, the final solution. Adolf Hitler was not born into power, yet he started his rise from the Nazi Party in 1919. Adolf Hitler was a powerful and influential speaker. In his book, Mein Kampf, in English, My Struggle, he talks about the final solution and how he hated the Jews. He described the Jews as a sub-race to the real purebred Germans. Even though Jews were not the ones that caused all the economic problems in Germany, however, Adolf Hitler used them as the scapegoats. Hitler also used propaganda to influence the Germans. For example, one propaganda said, "Jews are our misfortunes." After a few months, Hitler was Chancellor. He started commanding his troops to begin the final solution. He made the Jews wear a yellow Star of David to easily identify they were Jews. Nazis soon forced Jews out of their small homes and into ghettos, which is also small areas. Most tried to package their belongings and take them with them. The rest of the house was ransacked and burned. Many Jews only lived in the ghettos for a couple weeks. In the ghettos, there were 500,000 packed into 2 square miles. The Nazis rationed food, made the youthful work, and made the people starve and suffer. The ghettos were a holding place for the camps. Jews were taken out of the ghettos and placed into small trains. They were jammed and bolted into the train. The Nazis would rarely throw stale bread and water to the Jews. This map shows all the railways the Jews were transported on. Once they reached the concentration camp, there was a doctor that would inspect each of the Jew, seeing if they were qualified and fit enough to stay alive. Throughout the process, there were many selections. At the concentration camps, there were many physical abuses, like gas chambers. A gas chamber was a little sealed room that they put over 3,000 Jews squeezed into this room. Thinking they were going to take a shower, little did they know that the shower was going to be of poisonous gas. After the Jews died in the gas chamber, they would take the dead bodies and take their clothes and shave their hair off. They shaved the Jews' hair off to make uniforms and bombs. After that, they would cremate the bodies and dump them into a nearby field. Not only the Jews were being tortured, there were gypsies and other people that disagreed with the Nazi Party and sent into concentration camps. Outside the concentration camp, German children were getting taught that Jews are like rats and filthy and deceitful. In school, all the Jewish teachers and Jewish students were expelled. In 1935, the Nuremberg laws took away their rights. Still, no one helped out the Jews. Finally, in 1938, 32 nations went to discuss the Holocaust and a way to help the Jews. However, no one wanted to import millions of Jews into the nation. In September 1939, the Nazis invaded Poland, killing women, elderly, and children. However, they corralled the men and sent them off to concentration camps to work. Nazis glorified militarism, and those who didn't agree were either sent to a concentration camp or murdered. The Nazis invaded the Soviet Union, and that's what pulled the rug for Adolf Hitler. On January 27, 1945, Soviet troops liberated Auschwitz-Birkenau. The Soviet troops found hundreds of thousands of men and women outfits. They found over 14,000 pounds of human hair, and they freed 15,668 Jews from Auschwitz. The Holocaust was a brutal period for the Jews. With World War II going on and other tragic events, many people forgot about the Holocaust. It is our job to learn about this plight in history and make sure this will never happen again. History has a habit to repeat itself. 6 million people were slaughtered in 12 years. This was a tragic event in history that should never be forgotten.